Welcome to RubyDeanCuisines. I'm Chef D, and this is Chef
Noah.
And today we will be preparing for you our holiday, savory, delicious
Turkey wings.
Yes, that's what I said, turkey wings. So Chef Noah,
Yes, sir.
what do you think we need to make these delicious, savory turkey wings?
Well, seasoning.
Seasoning, everybody. So I'm going to share with you the seasons that we use at RubyDeanCuisines. We use our Sazon. Of course, you have to have paprika, just for color. We have our onion powder, our garlic powder. Then we have Italian seasoning, garlic and buttery herbs, all purpose, so you know it has everything in it. One of my favorites is Cajun seasonings. And as you can see, no salt, pretty good. I love peppercorn medley. You can't go wrong with complete seasoning. We have some parsley flakes. And of course, adobo. Okay, so everyone, so we're getting ready to season our delicious turkey wings. And I have all my seasons prepared. And I'm gonna just start putting them all in, okay? I'm just gonna put them all in. I got my parsley going in. You can cook it the way you want it, and you can flavor it the way you want it to flavor. Now, the majority of us that are cooks, especially when it comes to soul food, we're gonna flavor it the way who made it, grandma or mama, okay? I can tell you right now, my mama didn't make no turkey wings, so I learned all of this from my grandmother, okay? I can tell you that right now. My mother taught me how to make the fried chicken. So we're gonna season this. We got our onion, our garlic, our paprika, all this goodness. We got Sazon, so we can put some color in here. That's it. All right. I don't want to redo things, everything. Okay, there we go. Gonna put a little bit of the all-purpose in here. Now, another thing I want to teach you, even when you're seasoning, you actually have to taste your seasoning. Yes, you do. Now, I know some people are not going to do that, but you should. Taste your seasoning. See if the flavors are mixing, okay? There's nothing wrong with that. Sounds odd, but it works. Got a little peppercorn here. Okay. All right, so I'm just starting it out. I'm gonna look at it. I can eyeball it to tell you which way I want it to go anyhow, so. All right, so we have all of the seasonings on this. Now we're gonna mix it all up, okay? We're gonna mix everything up real good. Mix it real good. Every piece of that turkey should be covered with your seasoning. Make your blend the way you want it to be. In today's world, there's a lot of no salt products out there, okay? So for my hypertension people, okay, there's a lot of good ingredients out there that you can use for no salt. Please use it, okay? But Thanksgiving only comes how many times out of the year? Once. So hey, put a little something on there for yourself. But don't go overboard. Now, if you know you just can't do it, then you be obedient to your doctor and don't do it. Don't you talk about Chef D said I can do it because it's once a year. Don't do that to me. All right, we're gonna season everything. We're gonna get it all in there. Nice. You can smell the seasoning. I mean, you can smell, it smells delicious right now, everybody. Okay, as you can see, I'm good, okay? I'm gonna let these sit for about 15, 20 before I start searing them, okay? All right. All right, everyone, so we have seasoned our meat. Everything is done. The turkeys are seasoned and very well seasoned at that. So we're getting ready to start frying them. We're gonna sear them, all right? Opening my sear. You can hear it. There you go. All right, so we're gonna let them all sear now. Okay, so now we have our sear done on our turkey wings. I've placed all of the vegetables on top of the turkey wings as well. Look at that, they don't, oh, so colorful and beautiful, right? So I'm gonna go on and put the foil on them. Sorry about the way my foil look right now. It's still gonna do the job. Gonna get this oven open. All right, I'm gonna place them in. Okay. So we have them in right now at 350 degrees, okay? They are going to cook for about 1.5 to 2 hours. I am going to come back in an hour, okay? And I'm going to check for the tenderness of our turkey wings. Now the way I check them is I take a fork and I twist it. And if this meat starts to fall off of that bone and you see all that goodness, then for you, it could be done. Okay, that's your thing. For me, I'm putting them back in and I'm taking off that foil because now I need a little bit more of a golden crust on it. So follow my way, okay? So it's just about that time for me to take out those delicious turkey wings. So let's get this oven open. Oh, good googly woo. So we say the oven worked. That's what we're gonna say, the oven works, right? All right, so we're gonna take out our turkey wings. And we're gonna see, oh, they look beautiful. Remember I said take a fork, twist your meat, all right? Twist the turkey just to see how tender it is, okay? So we're gonna do that right. Oh yeah, oh yeah, beautiful. Now the only thing that I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna teach you how to do a slurry. And I hear someone saying, well, what's a slurry? So I'm gonna tell you what a slurry is. You're gonna take about a tablespoon of cornstarch or flour, which I'm getting ready to do. You're gonna get some water and you're just gonna keep mixing it till it becomes very smooth. I'm getting ready to do that for you right now. Okay, so all I did was take about two tablespoons. And I put some water in here. And this is what you have right here, okay? It's gonna look like that. You just wanna keep stirring it till it is very smooth, okay? This is wonderful right now. So what I'm gonna do is turn around and I'm just gonna put it on my turkey wings. Just gonna put it here. Just put it all over here and that's gonna make, oh Lord have mercy. I just can't wait. And we're gonna put it over here. All right, and it's just a thickening agent. That's all it is, it's just a thickening agent. So once it goes into the oven and it cooks a little longer, you're gonna notice yourself having a gravy. And that gravy goes on what? Your stuffing. This is holiday season, and what we're doing is we're making you what? Turkey wings, okay? All right, here we go. I'm gonna put them back in the oven now. Well, the wings are done, and look how beautiful they look. They are glistening and they are tender. I appreciate everyone following me today and watching my tutorial on RubyDeanCuisines turkey wings. Please follow us on YouTube at RubyDeanCuisines, Instagram at RubyDeanCuisines, and our Facebook page as well at RubyDeanCuisines. Please stay tuned. We'll be back.